Hey, this is Shanshan here. They're reading the quote of the day by Kandinksy. Color. Shoot, I forgot. So the quote of the day by Kandinksy is, "Color directly influences the soul." What do you guys think about that? I think as a visual person, obviously artists are very influenced by the colors. You got a bright red like this is very bloody, very power, very masculine colors. If you got maybe a yellow, which is very unusual, say in a painting, it's usually a sign of cowardness, and it's not very used very often in paintings. Maybe only in abstracts like this, you would only see it there. You wouldn't really see it in nature. So some colors, bring out really calming colors like blues. I really like blues and water. When I paint water, I have a really strong impact with that. I think it's a really cool color that really impacts, and I just love that impact. It's really difficult to work with these reds and yellows, but with blues it's really cool. You can work with greens, add a little brown in there. Maybe you make a little more purple. You can add some white, you can add some black. So I think there's more range sometimes in blues for me, and so that's how I think blue color impacts the soul. What do you guys think?